So I'm Mike Snyder from Sonoma Partners, and I'm here with Ryan Tennis. And as you can see, he's holding up a Convergence sign here. He's pretty excited about it. I'm not sure why, but let's figure out what's going on here. So,
hey Mike, this is Convergence 2010 down in Atlanta, Georgia at the end of April. I'm very excited for this customer conference.
So if you're not familiar with Convergence, what is it all about?
So Convergence is Microsoft's Dynamics Customer Conference. It's the one conference that Microsoft has focused at their customers for anybody using Dynamics products. We're talking about CRM, AX, GP, SL, and AV. It's all focused on Dynamics products.
And actually the customers are using the software there.
It's the end users. So all the content is focused on the end users, maximizing their values out of the products. Now yes, there are partners and there's Microsoft there as well, but everything that goes on in that conference is all about the customers.
So what types of content are they going to be learning about then?
So you're going to see product roadmaps, you're going to see where products are at today and what you can do with those products. You're going to see the interaction of, let's say, a dynamic CRM product and the new version of Office 2010. And then you're going to have what we call interactive discussions. So these are breakout sessions, maybe 50 people in a room and a whiteboard, somebody from Microsoft leading a discussion, and people are interacting with somebody that's on the product dev team, somebody that's a support engineer, etc.
So is it just technical stuff, or is there, what type of content is it?
We've got all sorts of tracks. If you're a CEO, we have a track for you. If you're a CFO, we have a track for you. If you're an actual CRM administrator, we have a track for you. So there are technical tracks, but there's business tracks. There's the ability to interact with other customers, and so you go to specific sessions where there are all interaction between the customers. Everybody's covered.
Right. And attendance-wise, what are we looking at? How many people attend the Convergence conference?
2010, we're looking at about 8,000 attendees,
wow.
And that'll be between customers and partners in Microsoft. But yeah, that place is going to be full of people.
And where's it at?
This is in Atlanta, Georgia.
Atlanta. What about Sonoma Partners? Are we going to have some people down there?
Well, Sonoma Partners likes to live life really strong. So we're going to have a big old party on Monday, April 26th,
right,
down at Convergence, and it's going to be held at the Loft, which is just a short walk away from the Convergence Center.
So you go there all day, you get your product roadmaps, you get your updates.
You get thirsty, you come over to our party, 6 o'clock on Monday night, and you can live it up with us.
And we'll have some account executives, some project managers. What about a dozen people there representing Sonoma as well?
So we'll have a lot of Sonoma people there, but as well, we will have Microsoft folks in attendance as well. So we'll have customers that are coming, we'll have the Sonoma people, and then we can interact with a bunch of Microsoft peeps as well.
Wow. So rough agenda, I mean, when does this start, when does it end?
So this year, the keynotes kick off on Sunday, and then you'll have some breakout sessions in the afternoon on that Sunday. You'll have general sessions all day long on Monday, and then you'll have final keynote sessions on Tuesday. And if I'm right, people are going to be able to see Sean Payton there as well, the coach of the Super Bowl champion New Orleans Saints.
Oh yeah, cool. So it starts the first keynote Sunday morning, so people probably want to get there on Saturday.
If I were a customer arriving, I would definitely arrive in on Saturday. Make sure that you get your bearings and you get registered, you get everything set up. In fact, ahead of time, if you log into the Convergence site, you can actually take a look at the agenda sessions and start lining up your days. So if you're confused on where you go to find that stuff, just go to Microsoft.com, whack Convergence, and you'll find the site.
And then, so Saturday night, I think there's an event as well, right?
There's a big welcome reception, yep, and I believe it's going to be at the Aquarium this year in Atlanta.
So the Aquarium is, again, right next to the Convention Center, and it's a really great...
Yeah, so this is actually an event not put on by Sonoma. This is actually put on by Microsoft at the Aquarium. So the big welcome reception for all the attendees. And so there will be heavy appetizers, there'll be drinks, there'll be loud music, but a lot of social interaction that night as well. So you'll be able to meet, from a Sonoma perspective, you'll be able to meet all the other customers that we have in attendance. You'll also be able to obviously talk to anybody else that's there and do a lot of networking. So if there's one takeaway for anybody looking to go to the event, it's the incredible networking that happens.
Right. So again, so that's Saturday, April 24th is when it starts.
Yep.
Then it goes Saturday, Sunday, Monday, then Tuesday. So if you were leaving, you probably take off Tuesday night then?
You can get out of town on Tuesday afternoon, yeah.
Right.
And, after the general sessions and keynotes on Tuesday morning, you can take off.
So what about Sonoma Partners presenting? Are you guys doing anything in any of these sessions?
Every year, Sonoma Partners has people that are speaking at sessions, so we'll have multiple sessions that we're going to be speaking at. We don't have the dates and times yet, but again, if you go online and you take a look at that, the agendas and the sessions that are tied out, they're going to have Sonoma Partners, Mike Schneider, Jim Steger, whoever might be speaking at these sessions, our names will show up, and you can actually see when we're speaking.
Then you can sit in and learn some more about CRM.
Absolutely.
To your heart's content.
Free teaching.
And then you said the party, Sonoma Partners party, is Monday night from 6 to 9 at the Loft. It's right next to the convention
Now,
center.
you said 9 o'clock. I'm sure it'll go later than 9 o'clock.
All right. Scheduled to go till 9, maybe longer if necessary. Great. Well, I appreciate your time. Convergence sounds like an amazing opportunity. If people want, they can, like you said, just go online and.
Convergence 2010,
right.
be there.
Sounds good. All right. Thanks for your time, Ryan.
Thank you.
Bye.